안녕! I'm not going to use any heat today. Never, because it's hot. I'm going to make hwachae, Korean punch. Traditional Korean punches are made with various fruits or edible flower petals. The fruits and flowers are soaked in honeyed water or honeyed magnolia berry juice, 오미자차. In modern Korea, we add soda or milk to Korean punch commonly. And I've heard that there are about 30 types of traditional punch. Pear punch, rose punch, magnolia berry punch, yuja punch, watermelon punch, etc. Among them, I'm gonna make watermelon punch using fruit in season. We call it 수박화채. Watermelon punch. The recipe is super easy. So, let's set the table and beat the summer heat. You will need watermelon, frozen strawberry, honey, milk, and ice cube. I've got seedless watermelon. Cut this in half. And scoop out the watermelon. I have this melon bowler, but if you don't have this, then you can use ice cream scoop or spoon as well. Place cubes in a bowl. Dig the watermelon until the end. I'm digging watermelon. Use the spoon when it's remain on the rind of watermelon. This part is gonna be smoothie. Ooh, it's so juicy. And then I'm going to blend the remains of watermelon and frozen strawberry. You can use whatever fruit you have. Sweeter is better. Put all the ingredients into a blender. This is gonna be delicious and cool smoothies. I'm gonna use this watermelon rind as a bowl, so carve the edge like this. Next, put watermelon cubes into watermelon bowl. And then prepare the milk and honey. There is no accurate measuring because watermelon size is different. In this case, 5 ounces, 200 ml would be enough. Put 1 teaspoon of honey into milk and mix well. And then pour this into watermelon bowl. Instead of milk and honey, you can use Sprite or 7-Up as well. Next, pour the smoothies I've made. Decorate with ice cube and blueberries. It's done! Can you feel this refreshment? You can serve this as a welcome drink or dessert. 잘 먹겠습니다! Of course, it's cool and sweet. Actually, I don't like the artificial sweetness, so I made this with natural ingredients like fruits and honey, so I can feel the fresh taste of natural fruits. Today, we make Korean punch, especially watermelon punch. I hope this recipe is helpful. If this recipe is helpful, then thumbs up and subscribe my channel, please. See you next time. Bye. 안녕!